In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to use the Stacker Adapter Kit. This kit comes with 3 adapters, one 20 gauge adapter, one 410 and 45 long Colt adapter, and one 22 long rifle adapter. For the beginning of this video, we'll be using a single shot shotgun. This one happens to be chambered in 12 gauge. After firing your 12 gauge round, you want to shoot 20 gauge, you can go ahead and slide in your 20 gauge adapter. If you want to shoot 45 long Colt, go ahead and slip in your 45 long Colt adapter. This same adapter can also be used for 410 shells of any type. And if you want to shoot 22 long rifle, well, you can slip in your 22 adapter and safely fire your 22 long rifle. This adapter kit can also be used in a variety of different platforms, ranging from side-by-sides to over and unders to single shots. For this gun, I'm using a 20 gauge shell in the left barrel and a 12 gauge in the right. In this over and under, chambered in 12 gauge, I'm going to run a 410 in the top barrel and a 12 gauge in the lower barrel. For this over and under 410, I'm going to put the 22 long rifle adapter in the upper barrel whilst shooting a 410 out of the lower barrel. As you can see, the combinations are vast. This adapter kit allows you to mix and match some of the most popular shells and cartridges, making it an ideal kit for backpackers, survivalists, and enthusiasts alike.